Welcome everybody to kind of a late stream today, but better late than never. It was busy last night, but here we are streaming probably for like an hour or two. Figure out, might not even trade today, to be honest. I've had a 5-day roll with trading. It's one of the reasons why I didn't want to trade today, too. Kind of get my mind a reset, and just analyze, relax, kind of appreciate what I've done so far. It's been a week of streaming too, so it's been quite interesting. But yeah, it's been nice. It's been nice. Let me get Chad in here if he's online. I invited him. We'll see if he accepts. But yeah, no, we could analyze some pairs. I'm not forcing any trades today. It's a very chill day, relaxed type of day, relaxed type of feel. So without further ado, let's get started. Give me a second, sorry. Gold selling off. Just give me a second. All right, let's get started with the analysis. Let's go with gold. Gold is selling off right now. As you can see, a big sell-off. I feel like investors are taking profits. Kind of healthy for it too, in a sense. I mean, 1751, it could probably hit today. If you go that hour, yeah, big red. This one's about to break 1765. I'm not gonna chase it though. Every time I try to chase gold, I get killed on it. Sorry. The real trade would have been at 630 when I started breaking lower. That trade, see the lower high formed here and here. On the 30-minute, that's a good indication. And then right when this support broke, that was the trade you would have to risk about 40 pips for about a 60 pip move. Yeah, that was the trade of the day for that. That happened at 6:30. Oh wow, it's still going. Yeah, I'm not too worried about it. That was the trade for gold, and it happened at 6:30. It's breaking 1765. It should easily test 1751 today if the selling pressure is real. Is there any news or anything? Let's go Forex facts. Finviz. What's the futures price at? 1780. So yeah, the futures are just dipping down a little bit. No news. GDP is tomorrow. Release quarterly. Yeah, this should be very bad actually. It might be priced in already. And that's tomorrow anyways. So as for today, there is nothing really. When did this move happen? That was yeah, 12:30. So this long played out during London session of about 80 pips. Yeah, no, I missed it. And if you miss it, you kind of have to see where you can get it next time. And that's me waking up earlier and taking that trade. But I've had a good streak, so I'm not too worried at all. USD CAD. One group I'm in on Facebook is long USD CAD. I can see that. You kind of bounce off the support. That's an easy retest of 136.20. So this is a fake out sell off retest. Nah, I'm good on that one too. Yeah, no, USD CAD should continue its bullish pressure upwards. See 136.20, 136 flat, easily tested. Euro, USD. Yeah, it's about to tank, ain't it? I feel like it's gonna tank. Well, you look at weekly, it's again wick up again. This one's lower than this wick. So now you have like selling pressure continued on it. If this selling pressure continues, especially if it breaks yesterday's low, that's a good 60 pip move that you could get. That's a potential trade even for swinging it. Your stop would have to be above here, and then your reward's down here. That's the first target, and then the next target even lower. It is breaking all supports right now. It broke bullish market structure as well. So that would be a good short. And I do think the US dollar is stronger. This is why all this shit's happening right now. Yeah, even the pound. This could easily be a liquidity wick set up to push further down. Because if you look at it, you have waves. Down, up, down, up. This could easily go down and retest here. What is that anyways? It's like 100 pip move. Damn, that actually is true. It could test down there. How does it look lower time frame? Yeah, as it starts breaking lows, you got your first level. It's about 30 pips lower. Like 35 pips stop. The 30-minute. Yeah, about the same thing too. 15-minute, yeah, 15 minutes tanking right now. I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute to close, and I'm gonna see if there's gonna be a wick up to like the 80 areas, 80s, 85s, and then I might enter on this one for pound USD. Pound CAD. What's a Dixie doing? Yeah, the dollar is up, so it should be looking for any discrepancies in that with the dollar up. That'd be a short on pound USD, short on euro USD, and a long on USD CAD. Oil's down, and yeah, I'll probably look at pound USD and euro USD for sure. I'm liking the pound USD though, so I'm gonna wait for this one to set up. I do want it to reach mid 80s before I enter, for the fact if it does wick up to mid 80s, and my stop is less, my reward is still greater. But yeah, no, I'll be patient, let it set up. We can enjoy some music. Wow, it sets up. I'm gonna eat some food too.
This is a noisy world. So wrapped up in numbers in our society, and the most important thing is that we're able to be one to one, you and I, with each other at the moment. That's what's important.
All right, I'm back. Interesting. Like this move down and then the fake out upwards. I do feel like it'll be like this today, so I'm not gonna force anything with that. Yeah, same with this one, eh? Yeah, same thing here. As you can see, 1765 held. Price finished above it twice. So good on that. Yeah, this one faked out. Ooh, good thing I didn't enter on anything. Yeah, honestly, I might just take it easy today. No trade. I had pretty good analysis past 2 days. I had these longs here. I had. One second. What else did I have? I had these longs. No, I had this short here, and then the long here, and the euro trade. Let's cut these shorts as well. Wow, look at that retracement. That's so hard. Yo, what up? What up?
What up? How's it going?
Good, man. How you doing?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Nice, nice.
I Korean yesterday with the girl and like, yeah, my stomach wasn't having it, bro.
Oh, like the Country Hills Korean?
No, this place in downtown.
What's it
We
called?
had before, and then when they made it last time, it was like the short ribs or the pork ribs were too dry, and then it was too spicy when we asked for it not to be spicy. So then they're like on Instagram, they offer her like a free meal.
Uh-huh.
So we got this one where it's basically like chicken that's covered in kimchi with a layer of cheese on top.
God damn.
And then cold noodles, and then they even threw in fried rice.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know, my stomach was just not having it. So then I was like basically from 8 o'clock onwards, I was just laying on the couch just dead.
Yeah, that
And
sounds.
she had to give me like Pepto-Bismol and Tums. Yeah.
That
Which
sounds
helped,
rough.
but yeah.
Nah, that sounds rough though, man. Fucking spicy chicken with kimchi and cheese on top. That's probably what did it in.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, guess I'm
Well, you-
eating healthy for the rest of the week.
For the rest of the month.
Yeah, man.
But nah, that sounds bad.
Yeah. How's things with you? You were up late last night.
Good. Yeah, yeah. I was busy. I'll tell you after stream.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Did you want to play Left 4 Dead today? I'm not trading today. I just wanted to pull it up, see my analysis. Play it out.
Yeah, I'm down. I mean, I already missed the move.
Yeah, yeah. That's what
Euro was a nice breakdown.
It was.
Pound Cat, like Euro and Pound Cat basically both draw.
Well, yeah, 530 for Pound Cat. I was looking at that. And then what was the other one? Yeah, Euro around the same time, right? Like 6 o'clock, 530, same thing.
Yeah.
Even if you entered on this break, it's 10 pips, or you enter up here after these candles break. So.
Yeah, it's.
And then gold, missed gold, but that was a nice sell-off at 630.
Yeah, it was just nice market structure.
Yeah.
It just inched below the bullish candlestick before the huge draw.
On Euro or gold?
No, on gold.
Well, yeah.
Just,
Euro, same thing basically. They both look the same for that sell-off. One's obviously harder on gold. I had a crazy trade yesterday though, so I wanted to chill today. Yeah, right there. Nice arrow.
crazy trade.
Yeah,
Last night?
I was thinking about longing it actually last night when I saw it
Yeah.
breaking like over here.
Yeah.
What was it? Yeah, 11:30 right here. But it did have this like fake out towards the downside, but it did end up going like up. But no, yesterday morning I took a long at like 1757 and I held it to 1767.
Nice. Full position.
Well, I had my runner as a full position, and then my core position was half.
Yeah.
And I just got out my half because I wanted to reduce risk. Like this candlestick at 6 o'clock was going bare. Like I had it 1758, 1757, and then this candlestick started going bearish, and then it went up to like 1758, and I was like, fuck it, I'll just reduce like it and just like let the runner run, because I did expect it to hit 1765 and like pop above, which is it.
Yeah.
So I just let that run. But on this candle at 7 o'clock, when it pierced through and went lower, I got some entries at like 1762, and then I held that one to 67. So I held 57 and 62 to 67, which was nice.
So you made fat.
It was a good trade, man. It was good.
So that's why you're not trading today?
Well, yeah, that, and I've had like 5 good days of trade calls, and I'm just like, and there's another reason too, I'll tell you after. It was interesting.
Nice.
But yeah, no, it was good trading, so I decided to take it easy. What was your trades though? Euro USD, you had one?
Yeah, Euro USD got on the rip. What was the rip?
It was probably one of these rips.
That 5. I think I went. No, it was around 7. So I break out and
Right here, momentum.
yeah, with momentum. Where's it? Right there.
8 o'clock, 7:30.
No. Can you scroll a little bit? Scroll out.
Oh,
on
scroll
that.
out.
Yeah, so that's weird. Yeah, I think that's the 30 minutes. Yeah, I think 30 minutes is it broke here, and this was like around 7 o'clock. So I'm like, it's probably gonna go to 50, 113.50. Oh, okay, so it's here.
Yeah,
Somewhere there.
7:30.
I just got it for like 10 pips.
Nice.
Yeah, I was lucky too. I just like, it's just like it's probably going to 50, but I'm just gonna punch out because I felt like I was late for the trade. So.
Well, yeah, not even that. It's better. Sometimes I find it better to punch out like a few pips shorter. Because what, it hit like 48.
Yeah. Honestly, I got out at the top.
Yeah, that's way better.
I was like, I just saw it drop back down, and then I took I think a short somewhere here. It's either like right here, and then covered it for like, I was up $30, but then I covered it like around like $15, and it kind of reversed back. I'm like, I'm not gonna wait for that. So,
Yeah.
and then, did I have a trade on pound cat? I felt like I did.
You did have a trade, pound cat.
Where did I do it? I think I went. Did I go long? I probably did go long at like 10, at like 9:30 or something. But it probably reversed on me yesterday. So
It's probably here when you saw this wick down and then continuation somewhere.
yeah, somewhere around there. Yeah.
But pound cat had a nice rip up too, eh? Even at this point.
Yeah, they all had a nice rip up. Like,
Yeah. Shit.
QQQ. Okay. But yeah.
It's not
I'll probably wait for a trade. Maybe.
bad. I think
I do.
that's the biggest thing today is wait for a trade. Let's see what it does. Kind of gauge it, right?
Because if Euro breaks 112.6, I feel like it's gonna drop another 10 pips and fill the wick from yesterday at 7 o'clock.
This wick, right? If it pierces through here, yeah, I like a short on Euro too. I was looking at that before you logged on because you have like this kind of breaking, right?
Yeah.
You have this support line. You have like a high here. This is a lower high. Another lower high. Maybe one more. You know how Euro moves before it like goes down again. But yeah, after it breaks the 112.60, could fill the wick right here,
Yeah.
which is a good 20 pips at least.
Yeah. Like, I think for me, playing it safe, I might put right now a sell stop at like, because I have a zone kind of there, so my zone ends around 112.57.
Yeah.
And then put a sell stop kind of a little bit below 112.54 and then go for 10 pips.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Which is still less than that wick. So I'm just like, so I can get in and get out real quick.
Pretty much get the impulse sells that get hit over here.
Yeah, and then let's just see. The risk would have been, 10 pips would have been back above the zone. So at least that like forms like somewhat like a resistance for the price to go back up. Or so I'm just going to put that entry right now just in case.
Nice. That's smart.
Stop. I'll risk $40 for this. Okay, orders placed for that. Pound CAD. Pound CAD, eh?
It's kind of slowed down. Like you have the move up and then this slow move down at this area. But if it does break below, then you keep.
It's like pretty clean.
Yeah, if it breaks below, that's pretty clean.
Yeah.
But you need like sharp selling pressure at that point. Plus, when you go like higher time frame to lower time frame, it's still bearish. Damn.
It's still bearish. Okay, well, monthly is like, I don't know if it's in a flip. It just flipped from bullish to bearish.
Yeah, but like weekly, yeah, last week was
bullish.
Last week was bearish though, so this might just be a liquidity grab to let it push further.
Like daily, it tried to break below my line. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Either way, with this one, you could play the range.
I think it's, honestly, can easily push back down to 169 area.
Yeah, I could see that.
If you look at the daily, like, or no, if you look at the daily, it can push back to 168, 60, 65. Looking back from May 27th, 20th kind of area. Basically, it pushed down past that price, so the previous low, and then ripped back up.
Yeah. Trends, that's how Forex moves. Breaks below here, trends up, kind of retraces a bit.
I guess the 169 was that consolidation period between June 18th to like, around June 18th. And plus, it's a whole number too. Yeah, I almost want to try it, bro. I mean, it's okay. If you look at the previous wick, like 4-hour wick, at 11 o'clock candlestick, that's like at 169.24. If you put an order here at 169.21, let's just say, it pushes past that, it's probably gonna go to 169 easily.
Yeah,
That's in
you're right.
pips, you know what I'm trying to say? And that's like the 3 o'clock candlestick was huge selling pressure. What a rip up, bullish rip up, and then just ate shit and reverted back down.
Oh yeah, that means that's a liquidity grab for sure.
Yeah.
And you see like how these wicks are just rejecting this area and it's going lower. Yeah, that's right. If it breaks, it'll probably head lower.
And I just want 10, 20 pips. I think for this I'm not even gonna get. Yeah, I would just get 10 pips and have a runner. Honestly.
Fair enough. The only thing with this is like, yeah, this support has to break. So.
Yeah, I'm just putting sell stops.
Oh yeah, fair enough. So I'll stop at like what, 20? That wick's 25. So what would you put your sell stop at? Like 23? 22?
Like 20, and then just get 10 pips. I'm out.
So 20 to 10.
Yeah.
How much?
And then if you draw a zone, like there was price consolidation around June 18th, around the 169 area.
Yeah, I see that right here.
Yeah. It looks good on the 4-hour for me anyways. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's dropping. I might join you on that actually. I do feel like the sharp sell is gonna come too.
Yeah, I better get my orders in real quick here. Stop.
It's closing bearish. I'm gonna wait a few minutes.
69. So risking 10 pips.
Fuck, man. Before he came on, I called a short on pound USD, but I just never took it. Too puss.
Yeah, man.
It's all good. But yeah, just considering, I think that's pound weakness. So yeah, the pound CAD should push down further.
I mean, oil's down. Oil, like, let's look at the futures here. Yeah, they're all red besides USD. New Zealand got destroyed the most.
Yeah, I wonder what happened. They had like the central bank shit last night. Yeah, they got just demolished. Is there news? Why'd the spread get bigger on this shit?
No, I don't think there's news today.
No, there isn't. The spread went to like 3 pips for me. It's like, wow, what the hell happened there?
Just closed, perfect. Below that, if it pushes, I think it honestly could push that.
Yeah.
Let's look at Euro USD, same thing.
Kind of want to wake up. Honestly, if I get like 34 as an entry. Safer sells is gonna be when it breaks for sure.
Yeah, but yeah, I could see it wake up. That makes sense.
Oh, never mind. There she goes.
Someone's holding it up for now. We will see, my friend.
I suppose it did sound funny. I used to lie out on the beach,
I'll be right back.
close my eyes, and may there be a pretty girl lying on the sand next to me.
Oh damn, that tank's fat. Yeah.
Honestly, I think yours is a way better entry, man.
Yeah, the 34. I didn't get it. I'd take a shit.
That's all a G, bro.
Yeah, I had
So,
a feeling it was gonna wake up, but you got it at 22, 21.
what's the price at? 69.19.8. Yeah, I put it at 20. Just 10 more.
Okay. Yo, that's a thing I've always realized. It always has a wick up before going down. Like pound CAD, that wick. That would have been like 14 extra pips, right?
Yeah.
And if the stop
Or
was...
I mean, I would have been out of the trade.
Yeah, exactly. Not even that. Like if you wanted to hold it, your stop would have been like 47 or something.
Yeah.
46 area. But either way, since it broke, I do think it'll hit down
Because
here.
my stop is 10 pips.
10 pips, so your stop's
That'll
at
be
30.
30. Yeah.
Oh, damn. It's kind of close. Well, yo, just looking at different like Forex, pound CAD, pound USD. If it does break a line, it always like wicks up and then continues that direction, right? As long as
Yeah.
the wick doesn't break the previous candlestick high, it's usually a good indicator. So that wick didn't even break the previous candlestick high, and then it shot down. I still think it'll go down. The stop may be too tight, but the risk will be controlled.
Yeah, the stop might be too tight.
What about Euro? Is that one gonna get hit or no?
Not yet, almost. At 50, my stop is 12.54.1.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go right back up. Yes, bring it down with the hammer, bro. Bring it down. Oh, man.
I might join you.
Might as well. Oh,
Oh,
man. Good
damn.
stuff. Damn. Okay, not bad. Stop loss. $33.
Damn.
Yeah, it's to be a little loud. I think she got a lot of stuff to print. I'm just mute myself real quick.
Alright, sounds good. Yo.
Man, this thing is oh man.
I'm just looking at how to make it better from both of us, right? Like we had the idea it was gonna drop, right? Like in reality, if we were up earlier,
Yeah, that would have been the move.
that would have been the move in reality. But now even like there's still like 10 pip possibility here, even if you got like the 34 area I said.
Mm-hmm.
That area would, oh my god, it's gone. Because the wick up to grab liquidity and then the push further down. Like, you wouldn't even have been on this little move up. You would have got this to this move on the 5 minute. Because it dropped like 17 pips from that point, 18 pips. The second move is just like right now. But this one candlestick upwards is the big fake out, right?
So we wait for the fake outs.
Yeah, wait for the fake outs, or even at this point, when on the 30 minute when I was looking at it, it hit 37, but I said 34. So even if you had like an entry at 34, that is a 10 pip stop right there, right?
Yeah.
And then you wanted 10 pips at that point, which would have been a lot easier.
Yeah, that's true.
So maybe the limit could be the 10 pip from this stop instead of like getting the buy or sell stops down here. If you have the limit here, then you use that exact 10 pip stop, and then you want to see a continuation with this momentum downwards, you know. I don't know, I was trying to think of for both of us, man. Like this was a good trade because you see like all these candlesticks are all lower.
Yeah.
This one did break support. This one did go below this wick, so that was a good indication. And it went below this wick too, so it was a good indication that price would continue downwards. But just the shakeouts.
The shakeouts, for sure. Well, at least I'm glad I didn't punch it for Euro USD.
Yeah, no, that was good on Euro USD. Not punching it for that one. That one reversed like fucking crazy.
It reversed crazy. 30 minutes. Let's look at the hour. Damn, it broke back above.
Yeah, it's just so weird. Yeah, the moves were at like 5, to be honest. Even Euro, 5 o'clock. Yeah, even that one. 5, 6 o'clock.
Crazy.
But yeah, I think whenever you want to play, I'd be down.
Yeah, just give me a second. Just message something real quick.
No worries.
Yeah, might as well just end the stream.
Yeah, I think so. I'm well, let me get my outro and shit ready. Just give me a second. This music up. Well, thank you everybody for tuning in. It was a short stream. Called some sells, gave some analysis. It wasn't a crazy day today. I think we were both taking it easy today. But yeah, no, tomorrow back on 5 o'clock, same time. We'll be on, we'll be trading. We'll have some trades tomorrow, some analysis execution. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good rest of your day.